This is the second year of the Science Scholars Camp. It's funded by a grant from USDA. Students were selected, they applied and were selected to come to this camp. So we're really excited about it because these are students who want to learn more about science. They want to know about what kind of career options that they have. And so we have designed a camp that we think is going to give them a lot of hands-on experiences across a wide variety of disciplines.
Think of a medal that starts with titanium. That's the one.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
I think my favorite part about camp was probably when we went to the horses.
We studied horses as they interacted with humans in a substance abuse rehabilitation program.
I didn't even know force inseminations were a thing. I didn't know that breed was such an important thing when it came to horses and their interactions with other people. I learned so much even just by things that I'm not interested in, but they became interesting by learning about them.
It's a really sophisticated system here. It knows the cow, knows her milk.
My favorite thing during this experience was all the animals and the interaction with all of them.
Camps like the Science Scholars Camp are important because it gives students a chance to interact with professionals, see what it's like to be on a college campus, to meet other people, particularly if they're coming from an area where maybe when they look around they don't see other students that look like them, and they may be a little hesitant to step into something where they might feel alone. That was my experience as a college student when I was the only female in a wildlife science program, and I understand that can be it can be scary to do something when you're the only one. So we kind of want to take away that fear factor and give them the confidence to say, this is what I want to do, and I can be successful at that. And that is really the heart of this program.
The support is there. Everyone feels safe, everyone loved, and information that you get here, it's very valuable.
For those who are looking for the chance to see what you want to do in life, have a vast variety in what you want to do, and willing to jump and put your foot in the water anywhere you could possibly think of, because you never know what you're going to like.